The Lander Lens.
Hi, I'm Jared Lander, founder and chief data scientist at Lander Analytics. In a previous video, we explored how we help clients deploy and scale Shiny applications so teams can turn their R code into reliable production-ready tools. Today, we're looking at the other half of the equation, Python and custom web applications. Whether you're building Streamlit dashboards, Dash apps, fast API services, or fully custom web tools, we turn your code into reliable, secure, user-friendly applications that work across your entire organization. Teams often build powerful prototypes in Python, interactive dashboards, machine learning tools, automated workflows, or internal utilities. But without proper deployment, these tools stay stuck on someone's laptop, run on an unreliable local server, or become impossible to share with wider teams. In our Shiny episode, we showed how Docker, Kubernetes, and secure hosting eliminate the pain of scaling R-based apps. That same infrastructure works for Python and custom frameworks. We containerize your apps, manage authentication, isolate user sessions, monitor performance, and scale automatically, whether you build a tool in Shiny, Streamlit, Dash, Flask, Fast API, or a custom JavaScript stack. With a unified platform for both Shiny and Python apps, your entire organization can access fast, secure, production-ready tools, regardless of which language your team works in. Whether you're supporting a small internal group or hundreds or even thousands of users across departments, we help you bring all your analytics apps under one secure, scalable roof. Schedule a one-on-one session with our experts today.